Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on Redmi 15. Okay, so in this video I'll show you the best backup methods, in my opinion, of course, and I'll show you how to do it, how to make them. So let's open up the settings first, let's click on About Phone, now let's scroll down and let's click on Backup and Restore. Let's begin with the Xiaomi Cloud, it's one of my favorites. It works in a really good way. Make sure that you have some free space on your cloud. Also, it requires to be logged into your Xiaomi account. Okay, so now we need to click on the backups. Click on Allow. And now click on Backup Now. Now our things will be backupped. So we need to simply wait until everything is finished. So I'll see you once it's done. Alright, backup has been successfully made. Now simply click on Done. And now our backup is stored in the Xiaomi Cloud. As you can see, I almost fulfilled the free storage that I got, but everything went fine. Alright, and now let's go into the Google backup. Click on right in here. And now under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. You also need to make sure that we have some free storage space. Right in here. Make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled in this place. When it comes to the backup details, in here we have a list of things that will be backupped when we simply click the backup button. So it will copy apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, and also the Google account data. Now let's scroll to the upside and let's click on Backup Now. Now the process will start, so let's wait a few seconds. Now under the backup word, a thin bar should appear any second now. Okay, here it is. And as you can see, it's starting slowly to fulfill. Now we need to simply wait until it disappears. We also see a notification on the bottom of the screen, which will say that the backup has been successfully made. Of course, if everything goes fine. And I'm sure that it will. So I'll see you once it's finished. Alright, the data has been successfully backed. You can also see it right in here under the Backup by Google One sentence that it was made 0 minutes ago, because it was like 2 seconds ago, and also the number 1 in the circle confirms that everything went fine. And under the backup details we can also see that we have 50 apps, the call history, device settings, and when it comes to the photos and videos, we need to simply wait until everything gets backupped. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.